IELTS exam. Manage your time and perform well.
Here are some tips which will help you effectively manage your time. Familiarize yourself with the format of each section. The second tip would be when you practice under time conditions. During your preparation, simulate exam like conditions by practicing with timed exercises and mock tests. Keep you focused on the relevant information.
Use keywords and headings.
When reading passage or listening to audio, pay attention to the keywords, headings, and also subheadings. They can guide you in locating specific information.
Saving your time in searching for answers. Develop scanning and skimming techniques. Practice scanning for important information.
Dates, numbers, by quickly moving your eye over the text or questions. Prioritize easy questions first. In reading and listening section, start with the question that you find easier or quicker to answer. This will help you gain confidence.
Allocate more time to challenging questions later. Be aware of the clock. Keep an eye on the time throughout the exam. Review and proofread.
Allocate some time at the end of each section to review your answers. Check for any mistakes and make corrections if needed. Use this time to proofread your writing tasks for grammar, vocabulary, and coherence. Do not try to change your answers. Just skim through for any grammatical mistakes. These strategies during the preparation phase to build familiarity and confidence.
Regular practice, time tracking, and self assessment will help you optimize your performance and score high in IELTS. You can contact us on the email address given in the description box. We can help you crack the IELTS and score high. Thank you. Do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Show support.